Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, let me introduce myself. This is Navneet from NYBae. Friends, today I'll be creating a very beautiful and easy red and golden makeup tutorial for the coming Karvachauth. And if you're planning to wear something in red and golden, I am sure this video is gonna help you, because the eye makeup which I have done in this video is extremely easy. Even if you don't have the eye brushes, you can use your fingers to create it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step will be preparing my skin for the makeup, and for that I'm using Purplle serum, vitamin C serum. This is the first time I'm using it, and as a primer I'm using Loreal base Magique. I just love this primer. I'll be applying all over my face, my neck, my eyelids, my ears. Wherever I feel, I'll be using foundation. For foundation, I'm using Sugar Drop the Base foundation, and my shade is 10 Latte. And to blend the foundation, I'm using Wiseshe Wise Blender Clear Cut Precise Blender, the softest blender in the world for me. It blends your foundation, your concealer awesomely. For the concealer, I'm using my latest favorite Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and my shade is 15 Fair. And to blend it out, I'm again using Wise Blender, the small one. And to set my base makeup, I'm using my one and only MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And now it's time to head towards the eyes. For that, I'm using PAC Canvas Shadow Primer for the base, and then blending it out with the Wise Blender, the mini one. And I'll be setting my eye base with Banana Compact from Sugar. And now it's time to fill the brows. For that, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Edit Palette, and I'll be using the ash color to fill up my brows. And from the same palette, I'll be using the red shade for my eyes. And the brush which I'm using is PAC 203 Eyeshadow Blending Brush. I'll be taking a little amount on my brush, and then on the outer corners I'll be applying it, making an outer V on my eye area, and then heading it towards the inner corner. But I'll be leaving the eyelid portion for the glitter eyeshadow. So you need to be very careful, because as it's a very dark color, it's a red color, so you need to blend it out very beautifully and very carefully. Guys, it may take time to blend it out properly, but please be careful in that and don't leave any harsh line, because it's a bright shade. Now I'm done with both of my eyes, and now it's time for the gold blush on my eyes. For that, I'll be using Colorbar Glitter Me All eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this gold color for that. And as it is a shimmery shade, I'll be using my finger to apply it. I won't be using any brush, because with brush it may have great fallout. After applying it all over the left space which I left it for the golden eyeshadow, I'll be taking the same blending brush and will be blending it out with the red eyeshadow. Just have a look. Now I'm done with both of my eyes, and now it's time to line up the lower lash line with the red color. For that, I'm taking a flat brush. Then to tightline my lower lash line, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. To line up my eyes, I'm using Sugar Black Liquid Liner. And now it's time for the falsies. I'm using Bronson Professional M72 eyelashes. These are very pretty. Just have a look. Now it's time to soft contour my face. For that I'm using Sugar Contour de Force palette and NYBae contouring brush. I won't be doing very harsh contouring. I'll just keep it natural. For the blush, I'm using NYX Sweet Cheeks Creamy Powder Blush and Wiseshe Powder Brush. And from the same Sugar palette, I'll be using the highlighter, and with the help of my fingers I'll be highlighting my nose area, my brow bone, then my cheekbones. I'm not using any brush for highlighting because I feel fingers are better than brushes when it comes to highlighting for me. Help of Colorbar brush, I'll be highlighting my inner corners of the eyes. Now I'm done with the makeup, so I'll be just fixing it up with my MAC Prep and Prime. And what about the dress? Uh-oh, I need to change it. Yes, here it is, my red lehenga dress. For lipstick, I'll be using NYBae Shakti Edition Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is 9 Happening Hip Hop. Yes, it is a bright red shade matching with my dress. Amazing. Now let's wear some bangles. And earrings. And here comes my final look. Guys, hope you all liked the video, hope you all liked the makeup tutorial. So don't forget to like the video, and those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that with the bell icon, so that you'll be getting all the notifications whenever I post a new video. So bye bye, happy Karvachauth all the ladies.